In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create team spaces in Notion. A team space is a dedicated area in your workspace where a specific group can organize their pages, documents, and projects without cluttering everything else. It keeps your team's work focused and easy to find. Let's walk through how to create one from scratch so you can keep your workspace clean and your collaboration smooth. First, open Notion and look to the left sidebar. Find and click the Settings option. This opens your Workspace Settings panel. In that panel, select the Teamspaces tab. If you don't see a Teamspaces tab, it may be due to your plan or permissions, so check with your Workspace admin or make sure you're in the correct workspace. Once you're on the Teamspaces page, go to the top right and click New Teamspace. This brings up the setup screen where you'll define the basics. You'll be prompted to name your new team space, add an icon, and write a short description. Take a moment with the name. Choose something clear and consistent like Marketing, Engineering, or Client A Project. A thoughtful name makes it easier for everyone to spot the right place quickly. For the icon, you can use a simple emoji or a clean symbol. Icons are more than decoration. They help people visually scan the sidebar and find the right team space at a glance. For the description, write one or two sentences that explain the purpose and scope of the space, such as what kinds of pages live here and who this space is for. Keeping it concise but specific will reduce confusion later. After you've set the name, icon, and description, your team space is ready. At this point, you may start adding members. Add the people who actually need to work in or follow this space. It's usually best to include the core team first, then add collaborators as needed to avoid notification overload and to keep access intentional. If you're not sure who needs access, start small and expand later. Membership changes are easy to make as your project grows. Once created, your new team space will appear in the sidebar, making it easy for your team to gather all related pages in one organized place. If you or your teammates ever need to adjust the name, icon, description, or membership, you can return to the same settings area and make updates without disrupting existing pages. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to the Team Spaces tab, create a new team space, name it with a helpful icon and description, and start adding the right people. You now have a clean, focused hub for your team's work in Notion.